सिद्धानम् ॐ नमो यरियानम् ॐ नमो वजायानम् नमो लोये सबसागुणम् येसो पञ्जनमुक्कारो सावपावपनासनो मङ्गलानञ्ज सव्येसिम् पदमं हवयि मङ्गलम् पदमं हवयि मङ्गलम्. தமிழ்த்தாய் வாழ்த்து. நீராரும் கடலொடுத்த நிலமடந்த கெழிலொழுகும் சீராரும் வதனமென திகழ் பரத கண்டமிதில் தெக்கனமும் அதிசிறந்த திராவிடனில் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறைநுதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிலமை திரும்பியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
I am Sanjana of 10B. I am here to share about something that we are all afraid of. Yes, it's failure. We are all enthralled when we succeed. We love to hear about success stories or successful people. But we don't like failures, right? Failure is not our enemy. It can be used as a step ladder, a step, a lesson, a path. In fact, the biggest enemy is not failure, it is the fear of failure. The true meaning of fail is F. Fight and face the fear and obstacles. A. Accept it. I. Improve yourself, your skills and knowledge. L. Learn from it. So let not the fear of failure bother us. Always let us remember that everything we need lies on the other side of fear. Thank you.
Namaste, dear students and teachers who have assembled here on this official opening of our school day today. So before I go to my talk, I would also convey this. Yes, there is a limit for Google Meet now. That is only 100 people can join. And 9th to 12th, the strength is about 100. So if you have joined on time, so you would have come in. Next time, we will split the assembly into two, because when we started planning, this was not known. And so it went on today like this. So you can pass on these to your friends and those who could not join today also. So it gives me a very nostalgic feeling to address the students on this day. If you see on the screen, we can see our school building. And we are also seen on the screen. So we imagine that we are in the campus. We imagine ourselves that we are standing in the lawn. We place ourselves in the lawn and sing the prayer, heard by the school choir, and all of us put together identify ourselves as the members of PVM family. Today we have the assembly for the senior students, that is 9th standard to 12th standard. Though some classes have begun earlier, today is the beginning day for class 1 to 9. First of all, my hearty wishes to all the students and teachers to go through the teaching and learning process effectively, and let us meet the objectives and the outcomes and reach our destinations successfully. So to reach our destination successfully, there are many ways that one can plan to take. If you have come across the poem by Robert Frost, The Road Not Taken. So he is traveling on one side and he is thinking what will be on the other side. That way the poem goes. But in real life, students, it is not prescribed to walk in one way and think about, if I have taken the other way, what will happen? Will it be more greener? Will it be more happy? But to check our own path then and there and see that we are progressing on the right path. For this, very, very important quality is the focus. The focus on the path that we are traveling. I would like to share with you a small anecdote from Mahabharata, where you all know that Arjuna was a great warrior. How did he become great? Because all the 100 Kauravas and the 5 Pandavas learnt from one master, Drona. But why only Arjuna became a great warrior amongst all? One day, Drona kept a test. He called all of them and he said, now there, look, you find a tree and there is a bird sitting, and you have to actually focus on the eye of the bird and hit your arrow. He called a few of them. He called Duryodhana, he called Dharma, he called Bhima, and he asked, after he gave this task to them, what do you see? So Duryodhana said, I find a big tree and a bird is sitting on the tree. Bhima said, I see the bird sitting there on the branch and it is facing towards west. Arjuna said, finally Drona asked Arjuna, Arjuna, now tell me, what do you see? Arjuna said, Guru, I can see the bird's eye. So the teacher actually gave the task to look at the bird's eye and hit the arrow. When you compare his response with the others, you can see that Duryodhana had lot of distractions. He saw the tree, he saw the branch, he saw the bird. Bhima had limited distraction. He saw the branch and the bird. Arjuna had the right focus. He did not say that I saw the bird, but he just said, I see the eye of the bird. So this is called right focus. We have to see what exactly we have to see. We have to hear or listen to what exactly we need to. So using these 5 senses at the right and appropriate way is the way that we can get focus. So that is why Arjuna became a great warrior. Only because of his determination and focus. So it is said that every student life is between 8 years to 16 years. Whatever you procure, whatever you learn, will be absorbed like a sponge absorbing water. But how it will be absorbed, when it will be absorbed, is when I prepare myself and focus on what I need to do. And the distractions don't take me here and there. And so, like Robert Frost, I will not make a poem of the road not taken, but I will only see the road that I have taken. Though for poem's sake, it's very good. I'm not demeaning the poem, but when you concentrate on focus, it is that I have to hit there where I have to reach. So I wish all the students have the right focus in life and walk by your path with courage and confidence, and Almighty will surely bless you with all that you have to possess. Take what comes to you as His gift to you. So with this, I conclude with my wishes once again to all of you for a successful completion of the year 21-22. Thank you very much. We request all to stand wherever you are when the national anthem is sung.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलति तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे